Dishly, a web app, and a submission for Hello World 2025 by Neil Koti-Chintala and Paul Tuig. So I'll start by introducing the problem Dishly aims to address and move into the various features the app includes, along with some plans for its future. To begin with the problem that we aim to solve with Dishly, food reviews. Large platforms that feature food reviews, notably Yelp and Google Maps, only support user ratings for the restaurant businesses themselves, rather than any individual dishes from those restaurants. Many different factors like service, cleanliness, and wait time can influence a customer's rating for a restaurant, which may leave honest evaluations of the actual food behind. With Dishly, a web app, we aim to solve this problem by creating a platform for food reviews centered around just the dishes and nothing more, eliminating the many confounding factors that sit behind many of these reviews. To begin with our Home tab. Here, users will find and explore new foods through personalized AI recommendations based on their history with the app, as well as dishes in their location proximity that are trending with good ratings. Moving on to the Search and Rate tabs. The Search tab is where the user finds the dishes they're looking for with the help of dietary filters, and the Rate tab is where users may rate and write reviews for dishes they've tried. This tab will suggest restaurants in proximity as well as recently browsed dishes for the user. Implemented in multiple tabs are maps and direction features. Any dish selected by the user will offer quick in-app directions to the restaurant, and additionally the user can choose to view search results when they search for a dish in the form of a map with pins rather than in a list form. These pins will include the average star rating for that dish and the restaurant they belong to. Our final and most unique feature is found with our user profile. So, Dishly in its current state operates with a finite set of menus that belong to West Lafayette only. However, its expansion would involve users inputting menus into the app in order to allow for a global user base in Dishly. The incentive for users to do this, along with leaving reviews, would be to earn points and to maximize their levels as a food critic. They will change their tiers or their rank based on their progress in the app, based on ratings and based on inputting menus, as I mentioned. And the Save tab is simply where users can see items that they've favorited. Some future ideas that we have for Dishly. Promotional content. We plan to implement a section where restaurants can upload promotional videos featuring food, dishes specifically, with direct links to those dishes in the app from the video. This content will be consumed by the users but uploaded strictly by the restaurants. Additionally, in terms of monetization, we would plan to implement sponsored listings for restaurants to have the availability to get certain dishes up higher in searches for users. And finally, as I mentioned, through the use of the user input functions, expansion from West Lafayette restaurants to globally. The technology we used to make Dishly possible was Vite, Supabase, React, TypeScript, and the Google Maps APIs. And with that being said, I will hand it off to Neil for a demo video of Dishly.